Miguel, let's do this.
Now we're having fun!
He's climbing out the sunroof.
What, more science?
He's on the truck! Shake his ass off.
Where are you? Shit! So is that Jodiel?
Get around him!
I'm trying, man. He's clipped to the back, man. He's stuck.
Do something!
Jiggle the back. Make the back jiggle. Jiggle it.
Banner, slow him down!
Hold on. Let it up!
He's cutting through! Push him, man, go!
I can't hold much longer. Almost there!
Push! Push!
Can't hold them back, they're too heavy.
What are you gonna do?
Try not to die.
That's a cool-ass line.
Miguel, he's on the side door.
Surprise, bitch! You alright?
No, I'm not alright!
Get back to cutting.
He started it!
Tell me when he's about to pop out again.
Now!
Shit!
What the?
Motherfuck!
I lost my gun!
Can we stop the shooting?
Not to worry. There. Pepper spray.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this and spray it up my ass. We got about a minute. I mean, he's gonna burn the money before he even gets to it. All right, maybe he was right in the beginning. Maybe we just give them the money, give them what they want.
Oh, we're just gonna give them the money? Is that like a one rule we're not supposed to break?
Oh, now you're talking rules?
No! Fuck the rules! Get rid of the money!
Where's the money? The bill. Hey. What the?
That's a squirrel monkey. They're illegal from Costa Rica. They have huge balls.
Man, fuck that monkey.
I hope you're decent, because I'm coming!
Hurry up, man!
I can hear you! Oh, what the fuck?
Woo! What is it with these guys?
Fucking amateur.
Banner, what are you doing? Stay in position.
Just take it.
Look at this shit.
Make it rain! It's raining, man! Hallelujah! It's raining! No? All right.
Stop improvising. Get back to the plan.
Oh! Yahtzee!
Can't see!
He's still going! Yo, the sunroof's open!
I see it.
These guys are pissing me off.
All right.
Well, shit.
Fun!
Banner, what?
Whoa!
Kobe! Reggie Miller. Who?
Fuck.
Fuck this thing! Oh! Fuck you, old
Fucking strong, old man.
Are you winning, Rush?
Asshole face, come in!
Clark! Clark!
What are you saying?
We're in a lot of fucking trouble here!
I know you are!
Will you just listen to me for a sec, please?
Listen to me!
Clark!
Travis!
Clark!
Trev. Do something. Get him back.
Whoa! That was cool as fuck!
You're never gonna make me late for my anniversary.
Shit.
Damn!
That's what I'm talking about.
That's right.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Oh shit. It's not done yet. Go get him. You got it. Fuck him up. That's what I call a pivot.
You think my generation can pivot?
That was awesome, dude. You were full Jason Statham back there. And we got it all on camera, so we could send it to the police academy, show them I'm good enough to be a cop, and shove it right up their fucking ass.
I fucked my leg up, though. I fucked up my leg and my foot, my ankle, my meniscus. I know I tore my whole back out, too. My shit is all fucked up.
What, just from that?
What do you mean just from that? You know what I just did? I didn't warm up and nothing. I just kicked the motherfucker out. It's crazy.
It was like 20 seconds. That happens.
It just takes a second to fuck up your whole shit when you just say, my whole shit is fucked. The only reason I can move right now is because my body's in shock.
You looked great out there.
Let's see how I look tomorrow when my leg falls off.